Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, the Great Johnson K. So I noticed some guys sometimes have issues with using dual on the PSR E473 keyboard, and that's actually very simple. You see, when you put it on, it's on touch. You have your touch response. Of course, mic, sometimes you can turn that off. Okay, so you can turn the mic off here, the mic, so that nothing shows up here, right? But for the dual, you see there's a button. It's just like a computer. There's a button here that shows shift. So that's the thing you should note. So you can see this shift and then it is covered. So now one other thing to notice is that any other thing that is uncovered like this, you need to press this shift down on this keyboard to access them. Anything that is down here, you can see what is down is different from what is up. What is down split here is different from what is up. Yeah, because when I press this split for instance, it just brings this here. But if I need to access the split voice, actually I need to press down the shift to access it. So that's the same thing for BGM, time signature, and some other functions here also, right? Just like non-lock also, I will teach you about that too. So what you do is, when you need to access your dual, you press down the shift and then you press the dual, just like using computer. Then it takes you to the dual voice. So now let me press just the button and to activate this, we'll hear this thing. Wow, you can see that. So next time you want to use dual on the E473, I'm sure the same thing is on the E483. I'm here to use one though. You can try this, right? Alright, follow for more.